Hey everybody, welcome back to my videos. My name is Brian and I make videos on my 2019 INFINITI Q50 Signature Edition rear-wheel drive 3.0 T car. That's primarily what I make videos about. So if you've been following along, obviously you know this, and thanks for following along and checking out my videos. Also too, for the people that are new, I want to welcome you and again, welcome to my channel. I've got like 130 different videos on my car, from performance mods, tires, AMS parts, Mishimoto. I can't even remember all the things that I've got about my car, new wheels, tires, catback exhaust, a lot of interesting content. So you may want to go back and check that out. Radar detector mount, just all kinds of cool, the Draggy app and so forth. I'm trying to remember everything, but yeah, so check that out. But today I want to update this video, or update my videos, because I haven't made one in a while. I've just, my work has started back up. I've got a new pet and this is taking a little bit of my time. I already got a lovable dog that takes up so much of my time. My work has started back up, and then yeah, just busy with just different things, and not a lot of content that's provoking me to make some videos, other than just making videos that aren't that interesting. This may not even be that interesting to some, but I'm going to give it a shot because it's interesting to me, and I'm glad, because and I'll point out what that is. But I keep my car very, very clean. If you've watched my other videos, I'm very particular. My car is always really, really clean. I keep it here in a garage, and when during this pandemic, I haven't traveled around a lot, so my car stays clean, and I'm used to always having a clean car. And so it takes a lot of work to clean these cars and keep them clean, or keep any car clean, or truck, or for that matter. But it stays in the garage a lot, and so it stays clean often. But it's just amazing how I can pull out of here with an immaculate car, just totally detailed. Some special polish on it, wax or anything that I've got, just a list of things. I've got all kinds of products, and I'll highlight some of that stuff earlier just to show that I'm not crazy, that I do buy a lot of products and keep my car really, really clean. But so I got this new product, and I'm just going to tell you a little bit about it, and I'm speaking fast so that I can get through the video and not linger. A lot of people, well, not a lot of people, but some people say get to the point and don't go into all the bull BS that you usually go into. So I'm trying to listen to people's feedback and develop a little bit better videos. So I was on Facebook, like I usually am, and I just saw, I've been seeing some products, and I've just been been thinking, man, I want to try out some things. Usually I'm a little, I don't like to spend a lot of money, but just lately being at home more often, I was like, I want to try this out. So I bought a new cleaning kit, polish, and let me just go into, when I bought the car, I considered, strongly considered getting the ceramic coat, and that was about $1,000 everywhere I called. And you just don't want to get a shitty job done, and pay $400 and have that ceramic coat job done. Because you probably won't get a good ceramic coat. So it was about $900 to $1,000 for a good quality recommended ceramic coater, detailer. My car was brand new, but I didn't opt to do that because it was that's a lot of money just to drop really, really quickly. It's worth it, if you consider a lot of things like myself. But to me, I just didn't add that up, and I just didn't pay that $1,000 to have that done. So I've been using some other products. I get a lot of compliments on my car. I even had a detailer when I was at Joe Tech. He was there detailing some of their cars professionally. He was like, man, that's a good looking car. You really have done a really good job cleaning it. And I was like, hey man, thanks. You're a professional auto detailer, so you know what you're talking about. So yeah, I was like, man, I just keep my car really, really, really clean. I mean, it was a new car, but You know, you can get a new car and have swirls and the paint looks like shit because these dealerships, just don't take the same care that maybe some of me and you would do to our prized possessions or our cars that we love. So other than that, but I went to work, and not to make it too much longer, and I photograph hotels, and so I traveled to a hotel and their sprinklers went off, and my car was really, really clean, and it just put on the water and it dried really quickly, and it left all the water spots and the chemicals that are in the water. And man, it's really hard to get some of this stuff off. But I've been waiting for about 5 or 6 days to get this new product in, and I didn't want to clean it because it is so much work, and I'm going to have to produce so much work to put this new product on. And I'm just going to go into a little bit of details about that and talk to you a little bit about my back history of cleaning cars and stuff. So here we go. Bear with me. Okay, I got to get in the best of light. I don't have crazy great lighting in here. I've added some more lights to bring some more light in, but let me touch base real quick and turn this camera around. Okay, so this is just some of the products that I've had. I've had so many different waxes. I mean, I would fill up this entire table of the amount of waxes that I've tried and had. I've almost been like a collector of different waxes there for a little while, but I had to throw a lot of that stuff away because it just become older, or it had gotten hardened, or the container that it came in fell apart. But I've got all kinds of detailers, interior. I mean, I'm a Mother's, Meguiar's. I got a lot of. I've done so many Armor All products. This is the latest one I bought with a foam pad that you put on the tire, and I think that's working out pretty well. And I've got a professional industrial grade wax and grease remover, so when you can apply a new product so that you can remove everything that's contaminant on the vehicle, if it's oil from your hands or from a previous wax. I've got my clay bar and clay bar lubricant. Let me turn my camera down a little bit more. Clay bar lubricant, black to back to black. I mean, I've had so many different products, and this is something that I've been using lately, and I'm not completely satisfied with it. But YouTube, Facebook, a lot of these professional detailers that are going into products that are not crazy expensive but work really, really well. This is on the top of the list, and I've used this for like the past 6 months, and I'm just not real happy with it. The hydrophobic or scopic water beading, it's just not the greatest in my opinion. And I even went as far as cleaning the car off with the wax and grease remover before I applied this, and followed the directions, and it's just not super working out just super well. I've gotten compliments with it, and the car looks great, but I think it can look better. So I got all kinds of interior leather cleaners and whatnot, and some of the stuff's not even out here. It's indoors, and I'd have to fill up boxes to bring it out here. But let me get to the new product that I got on Facebook and get to this real quick. Okay, it's called Last Coat. Let me angle my camera down. Last Coat. So a lot of great videos on YouTube and Facebook, and a lot of people have used it, and I just reached out and got their product. They offer single items and kits, and so I went with it was about $99, and I'll go over what all is in this product, and hopefully it's going to make my car just look really, really good and have all the clean, the features of the hydroscopic or hydrophobic qualities, and it's going to protect my finish and repel dust and just look great overall. So I went ahead and spent the money. I found a coupon or online discount for 20%, so it was like $99 kit. minus the 20%, it was like $75, and then with this kit it offered free shipping. So let me go over real quick what's in here, and you may want to purchase. Plus I have an additional 20% off coupon that, because I purchased this, that they have allowed me to buy more product, where I can share with someone else that may want to get this product and try it out. So hang tight real quick and let me put this on a tripod. Okay, shipping wasn't, super ridiculously fast. It was about 5 or 6 days. These days, I don't know. I just expect things to be, like 3 days, and get a little frustrated when it takes a little bit longer and you're trying to track it and all this stuff. But, some instructions or some really good videos on YouTube and Facebook, and there's lots of information that they've made available how to apply this product. And so that's really, really cool and helpful. But let me pull all this stuff out real quick. I've already opened the box and tried to make a little introductory video, but I wanted just to streamline this and make this more straightforward, just to appease different people and make better videos. So yeah, just basic box. And so there are some videos, and I'll highlight them here. I'll add them up to the top of the video, or just so you can see while I'm talking, different links. Last Coat is the name. It's a company out of California. And they just seem to have done their homework, and I'm going to give this a shot and see how well and how awesome it makes my car look. And I'll be honest and report back and say, man, it's another shitty product, or it's a great product, or it's an okay product. So this is their the last soap coat, and so you're going to put that in a bucket, and obviously it's their cleaner, their soap, and so you're going to clean your car initially to get all the dust and grime off, and then with your bucket, and then probably once you do that, you will have contaminated that water with a little bit of dust. So you'll want to dump that water out, and then add a little bit new water with a little bit of soap as a lubricant. And this is what's really, really cool. Like I mentioned, I have a clay bar. I've had these for years, and clay barred my car with their lubricant. And so this is a clay pad. So I just thought this would be really, really helpful. This is a clay material, like the clay on here. And this can be used over and over and over again if you take care of it and you store it right. Say don't stick it in the sun and let it get ultra hot, and don't lay it on the floor. Just put it up, let it air dry, and this will last a long time. But you can also, when you soap in your bucket, when you get your new bucket of water with a little bit additional soap as the lubricant, you can kind of put that on to get the soap spread out, and then you can flip that over, and then you can clay bar your car, and that gets all the contaminants off. So yeah, that's really, really cool. So that's a product of theirs, and that was included in the package that I got. So I think that's really, really important to get the best out of your paint, is to get the contaminants off. And so so this is their soap. This is the coating that is going to go in, and basically, as we have seen, or if you follow cleaning videos and you're, and you see things like this and you pay attention to it, paint has little micro, chasms and crevices in the paint, on a flat surface, even on a microscopic scale. So, you've got, but let me just get to it. This is going to fill those in, and it's going to make for a flatter surface. So the last coat, this is that part of what's going to fill in that and make it more shiny. And then this is the AMP solution. This is their version 2, as I'm recalling. But this just highlights this product and adds more shine to it. And so this is the last coat, clean, shine, and protects AMP. So this is your final product that you're going to spray on after you spray this on and use a high quality microfiber cloth. You want to have probably about 4 or 5 of these. This one's a fairly good size one. And I will make sure these are clean before I use them, launder them. But yeah, basically, and so, if someone's watching my video today, and you're a clean fanatic like I am with my car, and you want to try out this new product, and you go online and you research it, and you find out that you may think that it might be a good product too. So there is a 20% off. This was given to me so that I could buy more product, you know, after I guess these run out, and 20% off. So if someone wants to use this, I want to pass this along. So let's see, LOYAL 20 will get you 20% off your first order. And then they sell these individually. You know, you can buy just this, or you can buy just this. You can buy just the mat, or you can buy their high-end microfiber towels. Whatever you want to buy, but this was the kit that was $99, and I think it came down to $72 or something like that, and it had free shipping. So we'll see how it works out. So yeah, instead of making this video too much longer, I'm going to have to spend, you know, half the day cleaning my car and getting it ready, and then prepping it, and then getting this product on and letting it dry, and I'll make the secondary video here shortly and let you see how everything looks and what I think about the product. So again, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate the people that have been patiently waiting for future videos. Thank you for hanging around, and I really appreciate you, and I love the conversations, and more people, you know, watch my car videos, and, you know, I appreciate you too, and, you know, be sure to leave feedback if you want. You know, constructive criticism if you know you feel that I need it. And again, thanks for coming in and checking my videos out, and have a great day, a great afternoon, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye-bye.